to PAS, who has won 3 states recently, namely in Terengganu. Terengganu, 100% of the seats went to PAS. Dan apa PAS punya tagline? Dia nak mengislamkan, mensyariatkan Islam. Undi PAS masuk syurga. Jadikan negara ini negara Islam. Tegakkanlah syiar Islam. Therefore, the tagline, the modus operandi and the business model is Islam. And therefore, PAS punya aspiration, punya declared aspiration is to turn this country into an Islamic state. But they don't have control of the country. Tetapi PAS, Terengganu you have total control of. You have 100% of Terengganu, and you will form, you will end up being the entire kerajaan negeri. Menteri besar pun you, exco pun you, semua pembangkang pun you, everything is you. You can do whatever you like, and therefore this is the time that you showcase. Kalau you are truthful, you bukan berlakon-lakon, you will now implement Islamic law, and this I cabar PAS to do. In Terengganu, orang Terengganu unanimously voted for PAS because they believe that PAS will implement Syariah Islam. They've given 100% mandate. Therefore, PAS tak ada excuse. Kalau dah ada 100% pun kau tak buat Islamic law, tak change to Syariah law, tak turn Terengganu into an Islamic state, if you don't do that, that means PAS berbohong. Maknanya, if you come to power, you take over federal government, which will still mean you won't have 100%, even with 2/3, you will still not do Syariah law. Maknanya you temberang pada you punya penyokong-penyokong dan you punya voters. Jadi kalau you tak temberang, if you're truthful, you are true to what you say, you immediately turn Terengganu into a fully Islamic state, implement hudud law, and run the country as your version of Islamic state. You do this to vindicate your supporters, your voters yang dah 100% bagi you mandate. Show them, showcase to them your Islamic state. Showcase also to them yang tak vote for you what is Islamic state. Tunjuk betapa aman dan makmurnya Islam you di Terengganu. Kita, the rest in the other states, other Muslims, we also want to see how you do it. Kalau you buat elok, kita suka, kita may even support you. Kalau you buat merepek, then we learn that this is what we cannot allow to happen in our state. Non-Muslims pun nak tengok. Non-Muslims pun nak tengok you buat you punya Islamic state. Because kali dia dengar macam-macam cerita. Menakutkan sini, sana semua. Kalau Islam tu indah, you punya Islam is indah. You punya version of Islam is indah. Menggambarkan apa yang Allah turunkan dalam Quran. Then do that and showcase pada non-Muslim. Tunjukkan non-Muslim yang Terengganu ni will be the exemplary state. Semua aman, makmur, prosperous, turis pergi, all the businesses flourish, orang happy, selamat, tak ada gangguan seksual, tak ada all the negativity, social negativities. Tunjuk Terengganu ni macam mana. Since sepenuhnya anda pemerintahan PAS, do that, showcase. If you do that, inilah peluang PAS untuk menunjukkan kat semua rakyat Melayu, rakyat Islam, and even rakyat yang bukan Islam, that this you can have macam Terengganu ni for the whole of Malaysia. The super perfect governance yang you kata akan perfect kalau kat Terengganu. Do that and showcase that you have an opportunity to do that. For the rest of the skeptics, now you tengok Terengganu macam mana. Kalau lingkup, rosak, let this be the evidence, the showcase pada orang yang their version of Islamic state fail. Jadi both parties have something to prove here. Okay, tetapi the one that wants to prove that Islamic state is the best, you are the one in control now. You are the actor, you are the show, people watch you now. You take the lead. We want to see now. Terengganu should now be Islamic state. Hudud should be implemented. We want to see that. Showcase to Malaysia, showcase to the world, be that perfect Islamic state supaya kita boleh envy. The cynics you can watch with microscope to know now whether you may want this in the future ataupun we want to be sure that none of our states become that, and supaya kalau orang Terengganu pun menyesal, they also will know that they don't want it to become like that balik. So PAS, be true to your words, do not be hypocrite. Assalamualaikum.